In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check where your LinkedIn account is logged in. Understanding where your account is signed in from is crucial for maintaining your online security and ensuring that your personal information is protected. Let's dive in and take you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, you'll need to sign in. You can do this using your Google or Microsoft account, or by manually entering your email address and password associated with your LinkedIn account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account using a code that's sent to your phone number. This extra layer of security helps ensure that only you have access to your account. After successfully logging in, look towards the top of the page and click on the Me icon. This is usually represented by your profile picture. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu, and from this menu you'll select Settings and Privacy. Once you are in the Settings and Privacy page, navigate to the left sidebar. Here you'll find a section titled Sign In and Security. This section is key to managing your account's security settings and seeing information related to your account logins. Click on the Sign In and Security section. Now here's where we get to the specific information we're after. Look for the option labeled Where You're Signed In. Clicking or tapping on this option will provide you with a detailed list of all active sessions of your LinkedIn account. This list contains useful information about each session, such as the type of device used, the browser, the IP address, and even the geographical location of the login. It's important to regularly check this information to ensure that there are no unfamiliar sessions listed. If you notice a login that you don't recognize, or if you suspect any suspicious activity, you have the option to sign out of that individual session. In fact, for added security, you can choose to sign out of all sessions simultaneously. But that's not all. LinkedIn also allows you to manage the devices that remember your password. Sometimes you might want to remove trusted devices that no longer need to have access to your account. And in this section, you can easily do that. And there you have it. A straightforward way to keep tabs on where your LinkedIn account is accessed from and to maintain the security of your account. Regularly checking this information will help you stay on top of your digital safety. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay secure online.